Hello everyone, we are going to install WordPress on wamp server. This is wamp server is already installed, and now we are going to install WordPress on wamp server. This is WordPress that which already we have downloaded from wordpress.org. First, we will make it copy. Go to C local disk C, wamp, and click on www. Here we will make it paste, and now extract this one, WordPress 5.0.2 extract file. You can see WordPress file has been created. After completion these, you can see WordPress has successfully extracted. Now remove the extract file, right click, delete, minimize this one. We are going to on wamp servers. At this time you must switch off your internet services, because it created different type of problems. From here you can see if it is in a red color, then you can see this logo is of wamp server. All services are running. You can see here is the message, local server, all services are running. If this is a red color, then simply click on start all service. When you are going to stop this one, then click on stop all services. Now click on PHP My Admin. Click on go. Click on database. We haven't changed the name of our WordPress. You can change the name of your WordPress. Which name you want to give this one? Rename and write the name, suppose Apple. Apple is the name of our WordPress website. You can see APP. LE. Right click, rename, copy, Control C for copy, and now again minimize this one. Click here in the create database and Control V for paste. Create this one. Apple. You create Apple. Click on Apple. minimize this one, and now again to the click on Apple again and go to the WordPress configure sample, and now come here, your database name, Control V to paste the same one, username, is root is our username, and the password make it blank, save, refresh. Now again go to localhost / Apple, enter. You can see we will install. Let's go. Database name is root is our blank, and submit. Run the installation. You can see we have successfully installed the WordPress on web server. Name of your website, Control V, username, admin, and the password. Confirm use of weak password. Your email, suppose abc@gmail.com. Install. Admin. Password is also admin. You can see we have successfully installed our WordPress on web server. This is our dashboard, and now click on your website, right click, open in a new tab. So this is our website dashboard. We want to change the theme in our website. Go to appearance, theme. We want to activate this theme. You can also upload another theme from outside. Activate this theme. Or this one, we have activated this one. Now again click enter. You can see we have changed the theme. Again we are going to change the theme. Appearance theme. So we have successfully installed. The main objective of this video is how to install WordPress website on wamp server. Why we are installing WordPress on wamp server? Just for practice, just for customization, just for learning, and no further work we will also do on this website in the next video. Thank you so much for joining us.